Today's lesson is lesson 97, finding 1/2 of a set with odd number of objects. Yesterday we used pennies to help us find 1/2 of a set of even number objects. And today you're going to learn how to find half of an odd number of objects. So first let's list the odd numbers from 1 to 19. So my odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Alright, so when we divide something in half, both parts must be the same. So here I have 9 pennies. And I want to divide them in half so everyone gets the same number of pennies. So I'm going to start moving them into the 2 halves of my box. Okay. So there's 1, 2, I'm going to put 2 on this side. So 3, 3, 4, and 4. So I have 4 pennies on each side, but I have 1 penny left over. Okay. So this is what we call a remainder. Okay. So if I have 9, I can put 4 in each group, but then I'll have 1 penny that's an extra. Okay, so this is, we would say that there are 4 with 1 left over. In math, we write that as 4 remainder 1. And we use a capital R for remainder, which means there's 1 remaining or left over. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this with 7 pennies. I just made my box a little bit bigger. So we'll move the pennies one at a time into each group. So there's 1 in each half, 2, 3, 3. So I've got 3 in each half, but then I have 1 extra. So there's 1 left over. So I would write this as 3 with a capital R remainder 1, because there's 3 in each group and I have 1 extra. Alright, now we're going to do it with 15 pennies. So let's move them. So we have even numbers in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 pennies, and again I have 1 left over. So my answer, when I divide them in half, is going to be 7 remainder, capital R, 1. Okay. And if I wanted to write it out, I could say that 15 divides into 2 even parts of 7 with 1 left over at the end. So don't forget, capital R means remainder, or what is left over at the end. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your work.